Alright, so a sharp Carousel Microwave LCD screen is black. Alright, so if you watch, you can see the numbers. It has some black spot around it. They're dark. Alright. Okay. Stick around, watch this video. I'll show what is the problem and how to fix it. Alright, so the screen, LCD screen going right. If you watch, you can see. So you can hardly see. So today I'll be changing the LCD screen on this microwave. This is the screen. This is screen replacement. Right, so first thing first. First thing first, you have to unplug it. Right, so you unplug. The next step is to remove the screws. Right, so there's a screw on the side. One screw on the side. Remove the screw. Then there's five screws on the back. Right, so there are three for the screws. And then you need a special tip screwdriver for these screws. Right, so this is a special tip you need for this screw. Right, so you remove the cover. Alright, so next step now, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So the next step now is to remove this this screw. This support. So this support to keep out. Remove this. And then you have to remove the wires, right? The connections. Now the same way you take it out is the same way you put it back in, right? You don't want to mix up this. Right, and now there's a screw on top here you need to remove. Then you open the door and then you remove this part. You just raise it up and remove it. Alright, so this is the circuit board for the displacer. So there are two screws to remove. Then you pull it out. Alright, and this is the LCD screen. Now if you can see carefully, you see it have this color right here. So what's the difference between that one and the replacement one? So this is how we raise this up. You get something like a pin or something to raise it up and then pull it out. Alright, so this is it. This is the old one. As you can see, the LCD screen. You can see it have a lot of darkness around here. You can only see the numbers, and this is the replacement one. So see the difference? Alright, so the same way to take it out is the same way to put it back on. Alright, and then you put back this circuit board. Install back the two screws. Right. Now it have some latch, right? You just put it back in the slots and press down. You reconnect the wires. Make sure you put back in the same order. Right. You put back the screw that hold the keypad. And the support. Alright, so I'll plug it on. Alright, so I'll plug it on and show you the difference. Alright, so you're seeing difference. And it's three numbers. Alright, so and all the numbers working. Alright, so that's about it. Unplug it. Alright, so that's it. Alright, so this is the old one. And you can see it's badly off. Alright, so thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.